Last week in Charlotte, Virginia, 2 Confederate statues was removed. Robert E. Lee and General Stonewall Jackson. This is a response to the removal of the Confederate monuments. Welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, on Fridays we keep it real with topics that's trending on social media or people ask me to talk about. And this topic is blowing up on social media, as well as I've had people on my Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Quora, all want me to talk about this topic. And before I begin about this topic, it is a touchy topic. Understand, this is my opinion, not opinion of others. I do suggest, if you like to participate in this, you can comment, but please no negativity. Because what I'm about to say is not about negativity. It's about how I feel at my age through what I've been through. We're talking today about Confederate monuments. Not all monuments, Confederate monuments. And I don't know if people know that there's 1,503 Confederate monuments in the United States. About 718 of these statues is in public places. 10 major United States military bases honors Confederate military leaders. I think it's time to tell our true history. I have went to school for 12 years, elementary to high school. Most of us, after 12 years, have had history at least 4 to 5 classes. The history doesn't tell the truth. It tells partial of the truth. Yes, we had the founding fathers. Yes, they wrote the Declaration of Independence. Yes, they believed all men was created equal. People that they saw, that was men. And that was not people of any other color but their self. Asians, not blacks, they were property. And to tell their history, I think, is very important. And it should be in museums. It should be on the fields that they fought for. I don't think that it should be at a college that 100 years later, somebody's going to college and they see a Confederate soldier statue in front of their building, or at a library, or at the court. I do think these need to be removed. I don't think they need to be torn down and loitered and snatched down. I don't think that. I think they need to be professionally removed and placed in a museum with the truth of who they are. For instance, we have numerous monuments of Thomas Jefferson, and not one of these monuments mentioned that he had biracial children, that he still kept as slaves, but it was his blood. This has gotten proven later through DNA. So I think there's a place for them. Now, the Confederate flag and all the other Confederate soldiers, they need to be replaced by women. Women history. I don't see any women history statues. Very rare. Replace them about what women have done for this country. Replace them by who helped build our railroads, which was international people. We are Americans, and to be a proud American, you must understand that we are a melting pot. I see what's going on in this world, and everybody is separating. We're not going to work. We always worked. We always came out on top because we worked together. That's what makes us Americans, working together. And I think that Confederate flags being held at schools, there's a place for that. The LGBT got their flags. Black people got their flags. I'm pretty sure everybody's got their flag that they believe in. But that need to be in your homes, if that's where you believe. That need to be in your cars. That does not need to be spreaded to remind people. Let me put it this way to wrap this up. But we never praise people who lost. We don't go to the Olympics to cheer for the loser. We don't go to sport activity to cheer for the loser. We don't sit up there and somebody gets the World Cup in NASCAR and we're cheering for the loser. It's time for us to face they lost the war. Americans won the war, not Confederate. So why are we praising the loser when we need to be playing the winner? I think if we praise the winner, we wouldn't be in the predicament that we're in. We will love each other, care for each other, respect each other. We are Americans. And Americans need to stand up for Americans, not a losing team. Hit me up in the comments. Be respectful. If not, you know how I am. I'll just keep it real. You know what time it is. It's Friday. And I'm tired. And I'm out.